Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. What's really happening in the market? Quite straightforward. We can see that the market was actually consolidating, especially this week, but it was not really surprising because we expecting CPI. So if you don't know CPI, actually it gauges inflations or prices, whether the prices are going up or down. And if they're still going up, it's not really good for the market. If they're going down, that's actually good for the market. So let's see, around half past two, what's really happening. We can see around half past two, we're going to have CPI. But the problem is we have like 1, 2, 3, 4 economic news at the same time. There is unemployment claims or jobless claims, and they're going to release them around the same time, which is not actually something good, because if unemployment claims is going to be negative or this other ones be positive, then it's going to be something else. Then the market won't be that won't move that much. So, but if they all negative, for example, then that is gonna be good. If they are all positive, that is gonna be also good. So I don't know why they did put this thing on Wednesday or on Thursday. It was supposed to be here on Thursday, so that they don't really mix up. So this way it's just a mess, because most likely the other one is going to be positive and the other ones they're going to be negative, and we won't see that move that we want. But let's see, maybe something will happen. So for those who wants to be part of the team, you know what to do. Just WhatsApp me, Telegram me. You can check the link below. You will find my contacts. And another thing is, guys, I will be slowly going off the live session. Hey, December is around the corner, guys. Someone's supposed to work. I'm supposed to work. I think I spend enough time educating people and forgetting about my own pockets. But I hope people learn something. Then yeah. But I'll still be sending the daily analysis. So I need to also make money. So it's time for me just to start. So what's really happening on Euro USD? Where the market is actually pushing to the upside, as we always see, as you can see that. Everyone can see that the market is been actually pushing to the upside, and I'm still expecting to see that bullish momentum push to the upside. Don't be fooled by this type of moves, especially before the economic news. The market will just go up and down just to fool everyone, you see. So what I see here is the market is still pushing to the upside. We had a very nice support area. You can see that the support was very nice. On top here, we had a diagonal resistance, and that actually made a sort of a wedge structure. Guess what? The market just broke out of that. So I'm expecting the market to keep pushing up, maybe until or before half past two. Things might change around that, but I'm still expecting the market to push to the upside. Let's go on 4 hours time frame and see what's really happening. Okay, let's see. You can see that the market actually broke out of this. And if you check my previous analysis, we had this for the whole week. I think we had this resistance. Today it's just broken, and I already sent actually a pending order. Obviously the order is triggered, so I'm just expecting to see a push to the upside. Remember, guys, actually I will be resuming my trading from this week, from today later on. During the week I was not actually trading that much, because I'm afraid to trade when I'm expecting some news, because the market mostly don't react nicely. The market mostly will then consolidate, so I don't really want that. I'm expecting to go back actually after the news. Then I will be taking my trades, right? Even though I was sending the signals, but I was just staying out of the market. I know how the market reacts, guys. I know how the market reacts, especially before high impact news. Everyone is just talking about them all over the place. Then it's not really a good thing to be in the market. So here is because the market just broke out here, out of this resistance. Then I'm expecting to see a very nice push going further. If things are going to be negative for the dollar later on, it means this trend will be continuing. For those who are going to buy here, obviously I can say you can just hold that and make it a swing trade. I think this can be a very nice move. This can be a very nice push to the upside. If not, maybe we will see the market coming back, breaking the support, but the market has been struggling to break that. So maybe we'll see a breakout, then started to push to the lower side, but we will see that. We will see that. It's not like maybe the market will just jump or do something that we don't actually see. So let's push to the next one. You can see where what I'm talking about here. Now we are actually on gold, precious metal. What's really happening on gold? The market is actually on a very nice, it was actually on a very nice bullish momentum. You can see that. This is a daily time frame. The market has been pushing to the upside for quite some time now. And here the market came to retest, but it seems like the market is breaking out. I don't know if maybe the market, no, I don't think that is proper there. I think the market just actually broke out. But just because, and remember, the market just broke out there yesterday, but just because we're expecting some economic news, guys, the market will do its thing. The market will just play without respecting anything. We can see that the market just broke out, but now it seems to be trying to push the upside. We don't know if maybe the market wants to retest or something, but what I know is mostly the market will just confuse everyone. I know I also tried to take some trades around here. I lost. So I said, you know what? Let me just focus on my trading plan. I know that during the news or before the news, the market mostly won't respect anything. The market, remember, the market just broke out here. You might find that later on the market will be going back. Just imagine if we went all in on a sell there. So it's gonna be something else. So let's try to be safe, guys, in the market. Let's try to be safe in the market, especially when you understand that there's news. You can still make money during the news. That's what I'm expecting actually today. Let's hope that things are going to be positive. Or if they are negative, let them to, be like seriously negative, so that if we sell, we can sell. So what's really happening? If we go closer, you can see, let me just remove that. The market did actually start to melt. We had a nice support area. The market did not respect that, pushed lower. But if I zoom there, you will see that it's a consolidation. The market was just playing games. Since the market broke out, this is 4 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours, and this one is not really closed yet. So you can see for more than 12 hours, the market was just moving around the same level. So, or area. So let's go on 1 hour so that you can see. You can see what's really happening. You can see this area here. You can see there was no any proper move. So the market was just going down, up, down, up, down, up. So now at least the market is trying to push up. Don't try to say, oh, maybe the market now is pushing up. Wait for the news. If maybe you feel like it's not really enough, you can wait for the market to open. The market opens around 3:30. US open. Remember, dollar is dollar and the gold. So it means it will move very nice, especially when the market opens. I hope you understand that. This is a dollar pair, if you don't understand, right? So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends, guys. So let's push to the next one. On US30, I hope you did make something yesterday, as I did send on a live session, guys. I did send something on a live session. So what's really happening here is we can easily see that, yes, if we go back, we can easily see that we had a very nice area as a resistance. I repeat this area because it's quite for quite some time, since 2022, around, let's see, around 2022 August, almost 12 months. So now it's where the market actually broke out. So I think around this area, we have some areas. We're not going to check all of these areas. Some are like seriously very old. The ones that was still holding up was this zone was the one which was still holding, and we broke out of that. Now it seems like the market is doing what? The market is about to push to the moon, but we had some sort of reversal. Some maybe they can say, why Kenzo don't you draw from here? We can do that, but even what we're doing here, the market will change a bit slower, so we can still follow what's happening here very close. Remember, we are day traders. We don't have to go like like 2 years back or something like that, you see. So what we have here, it's still proper because the market still connects with this, you see. As remember, I do this every day, I do the analysis every day. So what's really happening is yesterday we had a very nice, you can see the market was pushing up very nice. So yesterday we had a very proper seller there. You can see that the market gave us something here. Then we took that. We took that on our live session and I went off. Then the market still pushed lower. So I hope you did smash. But why the market is reversing very quick and something like that, I can repeat, guys. Every time you should study the market. Every time there is high impact news, people start to get in and out very quick on the market. So if maybe the market is not consolidating, mostly the market will just go down, up very quick, up. So it's not really consolidation, but the market moves aggressively. You can see here the market pushed lower, bit aggressive. Later on, the market pushed up aggressively and then closed little bit lower. Let me just go maybe on a smaller time frame. You can see the moves that I'm talking about. You can see the time we sold, it was on this candlestick. You see. But look what happened. The market pushed up again, very nice. Once it's up there, look this aggressive sell. Once you see another aggressive sell, then the market is pushing up again. So it's way too easier to lose. Way too easier to lose. You can see that it's quite different from this other previous move there. So the market is just there just to disturb everyone. But it's not like it's disturbing everyone. It's just that if you don't know, you'll think like it's disturbing. It's just telling you that there is some movement happening. So there's people who are buying and selling in like some serious massive amounts, you see. So I'm still expecting maybe the market to respect this area, but we don't know. At the same time, we know that we are on a nice bullish momentum. So we don't know if maybe the market will respect this area, push lower or something. So the best thing is to wait. Today, it's like we have to just wait until 2:30. Waiting and losing is not the same thing. It's better to wait and not trade and you're not losing anything than trying to force trades and you end up losing your precious funds, you see. So now we are actually on NASDAQ. What's really happening on NASDAQ? Let's go on a daily time frame also, as I showed you every pair on a daily time frame. So what's really happening? I don't think maybe you need any explanation. Pure uptrend there. I hope you can see that. Very nice uptrend. What's really happening? Very nice uptrend. The market was pushing up very nice. And most of the time it was seriously aggressive. And we know this, that NASDAQ is seriously aggressive most of the time. So where we are now, we can easily see that we had double structures. The market pushed up very nice, it's fine. But we had an area as a resistance, maybe we can call it a support now. On the bottom side, we had a support. You can see that, hey, the market broke out of that, did not respect anything. But we can easily see that this move is not proper because now the market is pushing up. It tried to push lower day before, pushed up again. Now it's lower. Now it's trying to go up again. It's not really to keep up. Even if maybe you think you are a genius here, you are still going to lose. And it's not like maybe you don't know. Sometimes when things like this happens, you might end up thinking that, oh, my strategy is not working or something's not going well. No. Understand that this economic news is the most important one, especially when the economies are not performing very well. Because if inflation is going down, it means remember, this economic news, they are interconnected with each other. So if inflation is still going up, for example, if it's still going up, it means the inflation is still going up, which means prices. What we're going to buy at stores, prices are always things are getting expensive. So the government has, not the government, central bank or reserve banks, or not a central bank. So they have the job to do what? To increase the interest rates. The interest rates make sure that, you know what they do is, they make it expensive for other banks to do what? To actually borrow money, so that once they borrow, it means the interest rate is going to be higher. For consumers also, interest rate is going to be high. So people, they're not going to do what? They're not going to buy more stuff, because things, to loan money is expensive. So you're not going to buy a car now because things are seriously expensive. Which means if maybe there is not that demand for any car or maybe food, whatever, it means for them to keep their business running, as prices were up because of inflation, they will slowly do what? Start to push their prices lower, and that it will be called what? Inflation is now going down. And if that happens, it means Federal Reserve or reserve banks, they will not increase the rates, and in the long term, they will even cut if the economy is now performing very well, which means people, they will end up doing what? Going back and start to take loans, because the interest rates will be lower, and it's easier to buy cars, it's easier to buy food, because things are a bit lower. But with that, again, things will start to do what? They will still go up, because people, they have enough money, everything is going well. So inflation, we can't stop inflation. Actually, it's not really an easy thing that we can say, oh, we will stop inflation permanently. It will always go up, down, up, down, up, down, because it's just nature of it. I don't know who created these things, but it's just like that. It's just like that. You have to just do your own research somewhere. So now what's really happening? But for the reference, actually, during COVID, most governments or economies, they did give people stimulus. Even here in South Africa, people got 350s. So that gives enough people money, and if there is enough money in the hands of people, it means there is enough sales. People, they're going to buy things, whatever they buy, so it's going to be easier for them. At the end of the day, since there are so many people buying certain things, businesses, they see, oh, this is an opportunity, we increase the price. Automatically that increases. If the price is going up, automatically its inflation is going up. So they have to limit that after COVID, so that things, they can go back to normal. So let's go back to NASDAQ. I'm trying to give you some information. I'm plugging you out, guys. So you have to know these things. So what's really happening on NASDAQ? As I showed you on a daily time frame, the market has been pushing up very nice. But because of the news, you can see this move here. It's just consolidation, but sort of going down. It's like consolidation in a form of downtrend, but we know that it's just fake moves. We see the market is just pushing here, going up, going down. Now it's pushing up. So, but when we check, we had a very nice structure going back there, that the market broke out. Not really nice. It broke out firstly, and it pushed up again. It broke out again. Now it's pushing up again. So this is a form of us just to lose. The market creates something like this for us to actually lose. But after the news, once we know what will happen, then we will see the market pushing very nice, whether up or down. Unfortunately today, guys, I think maybe I saved enough, so I have to go back and also increase my wallets, increase my pockets. I need to eat. I need to trade enough. So most of the time when I go live, I don't really have enough time to trade for myself. So thank you very much. I will see you tomorrow. Guys. I hope you will wait for the news. Then you don't just jump on the news, guys. There is always a better move tomorrow. There's always a nice opportunity. If you lost today, maybe tomorrow there is a very nice opportunity, or very simple, straightforward structure that we can actually look at. Don't just force to trade, guys. This thing is very easy. Trading is very, very easy. But just because money is involved, emotionally you're going to be attached to this. You're not going to follow the rules. Myself also included. then you're going to mess things out. But if you stay down and think twice, you can always make it. You can start from 100 rands, guys. You can start from 100 rands and make it to something else. There is no limit, but not over risking. You can take it slow. Make 10 rands every day, then you're gonna reach wherever you're going. So thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo Xtrahot.